Welcome to Candid.Technology, your favorite YouTube channel for all things tech. This is Hemant, and in this video, we're going to explain the Vlookup function in Google Sheets. The Vlookup function allows us to search for specific content in a spreadsheet. For example, if I want to search the ID number of J, all I have to do is select a cell, type Vlookup, place the brackets, and for search key, either I can write J or I can write the cell number, which is B12. To select the range, I'll select the content, or you can write the cell number, which is from B2 to C12. Now index. Index is the column where the data is located. Now the data is located in the C column, but we'll write 2 because the C is the second column from the left. To find the range, all you have to do is count the number of columns from the left. Now we'll write 2. Now we'll write 2 here. Now for is sorted, you can write false or true. When the data is sorted, you have to write false, otherwise you will have to write true. Here the data is sorted, so we'll write false. Close the brackets, press enter, and here is the ID number of J. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments what other videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and this is Hemant signing off.